Hello, I'm Sonic. We will now move on to part 2. Here, we're on the 6th property. The sum of two of the square trigonometric values is 1. Like square of sine x plus square of cosine x, equal to 1, as a constant length. In this diagram, the circle has a unit length of radius. When the angle varies as well as the length of hypotenuse varies, the two perpendicular sides would also be varied too. Of course, if the angle is 0, then square of sine 0 is 0, and square of cosine 0 is 1. Let's pick any other value. If the angle is 30 degrees, then square of sine 30 is 1/4, and square of cosine 30 is 3/4, which is equal to 1. Similarly, let's take the other trigonometric values. Square of secant x minus square of tan x is equal to 1. Where tan x is equal to sine x divided by cosine x, and secant x is equal to 1 divided by cosine x. This means, 1 minus square sine x equals square of cosine x, which is same as square of sine x plus square of cosine x equal to 1. Also, square of cosecant x minus square of cotangent x equal to 1. Where cosecant x equals 1 divided by sine x, and cotangent x equals 1 divided by tan x. Therefore, we mean, 1 minus square of cosine x equals square sine x, which is always same. 7th property, for each sine x, that means the sum of two half values, same as sine 2x. Each sine x is equal to 2 sine x by 2 and cosine x by 2. For each cosine x, same as cosine 2x, equal to square of cosine x by 2, minus square of sine x by 2. And for each tan x, same as tan 2x, we therefore write 2 tan x by 2, divided by 1, minus square tan x by 2. And 8th property, same for each trigonometric values, but in a different way. Each sine x equals square root of 1, minus square cosine x. Each cosine x equals square root of 1, minus square sine x. Each tan x equals minus square root 1 minus square secant x. Each secant x equals square root 1 plus square tan x. Each cosecant x equals square root 1 plus square cotangent x. And each cotangent x equals minus square root 1 minus square cosecant x. Finally, in the next part, we'll try higher values of x like 3x. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.